There's the truck. And I'm fishing reds right now. That's nice. Thank you, Mr. McCall. There's the first school. They're coming right at me. They're coming right at me. They're right there. Hooked them on top water. Come here, big boy. All right. Here's the first one. That's a good little red boy. Caught him on that top water bait. Damn it. Yes, sir. That school's still out there. All right, little buddy. Let's see what you're gonna measure. About 23 and a half. There's 0. 24. Perfect. I'll take that all day long. 1, working on 2. That school's coming back. They coming this way. I'm just sitting in the same spot I caught that last one. And they're gonna ease over here. They just right there. They're gonna take that shrimp. Watch this. They're right up against that island. See them right there? I'm gonna throw a shrimp over there and get one. Watch. Watch. They're getting ready to eat that shrimp. They're getting ready to eat this shrimp right here. Watch. Well, I got my drum out the way. You always got to catch a black drum. I ain't looking for black drum, I'm looking for red drum. Talk to me. Talk to me. Huh? What'd you say? All right, get back in it. There's another little school kind of coming this way. I'll sit here and wait on them. I bet I don't mess up this time. Yeah, they coming. Good reds too. There's a school right there. They're right here, watch. I got one. I'm in the school now. See the muddy spots? I'm all in them right now. Oh yeah. Come here, boy. Man, he got it all over the place. Oh yeah. All right, bud. Good fish here, buddy. Whew. Okay, little buddy. That was fun. Hooked in a good part of the mouth. Yes, let's see what you're gonna go. Okay. Let's see. 26 inches. That'll work for me, buddy. 2. Working on 3. There's that school I'm heading for. That's where I'm going. Watch it. I got one now. These fish are all up under the boat. Yeah. Come here, boy. All right. All right, buddy. That school's still right there. I'm gonna try to get one. Unbelievable. We'll get some more of that. All right, little buddy. Let's get you out of there. Good fish, boy. Good school fish. Love them. Oh, yeah. Shoot, he's 24, 25 inches. Let's see, the 0. 24. That's right. All right, that's 3. Working on 4. That's a big school of reds chasing more. Chasing that bait all over the place. Give me some of these. Watch this. There you go. Stuck it. Yeah. Another one out of that school, boy. Perfect size fish too, boy. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that, buddy. Woo. That's a pretty little booger. Oh yeah, man. Them schools are something else today, boy. Yeah. Man, that's a nice fish. All right, let's see what you made of, buddy. Nice fish. Let's see, 0, 0, 25.5 inch. Perfect, boy. That's what I call perfect size fish right there. All right, that's 4 working on 5. Man, I just get here and get in that way. They come right at me. Look at that. I'm hooked up again, and this is a big one. Right out of that school right there. Son of a gun. This is a big boy. He bowed up. Oh yeah, this is a wallard here. This is a wallard. All right. Now that's the wallard of the day there, buddy. That's a monster. Wowza. Woo, he burnt my thumb too. Got a blister on that thumb. Whew. What a warlord! Man, I can't pick him up. Wowzer. Let's see what I got going on here. I know that one's over 27 inches. Whoa. At 0. Shoot, he's off the box. Man. All right. There's 5. Woo. Listen to it. Grunt. Grunt. 5 big reds. All right. I tell you what, that son gonna put up a fight. That was a wallard. I just been sitting in this one spot, letting them just come on by. They just keep circling, they keep coming. I don't have to move. Got a nice little breeze. It's not too hot. Awesome, baby. They got 2 huge schools over there, probably about 500 bull reds. I don't know, I'm gonna go try to get on them. That's about 500 reds. And I can hear them from here, and the wind's blowing the other way. Huge, huge school. Big reds. Look how wide that is. That's 2 city blocks. From there, all the way across. It's thick right there. And then it thins out on either side. They are feeding, partner. I'm seeing mullets jump in the air from here. Unbelievable. I'm gonna go get a close-up of them if I can get in them. Annihilate a topwater bait, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna go see if I can get closer. They've split into 2 schools, and I think they're coming at me. Some big reds, and lots of them. Got another one on top water. Top water bait. He got it good too. right, little buddy. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Look at that topwater bait, man. He snagged it right in the mouth. Beautiful. Yes, sir. Look at it. Perfect. Yeah, I just eased into that school. There's a 0. He's about 27. Oh, there's 0. He's about 27 inches. But I got a limit, so you get to go back today, buddy. And that school's still out there. Where'd they go? Right out over there, look at that. Go chase him again.